Since 2023, our reforms have restored stability and credibility to economic management.
Since assuming office on May 29, 2023, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has continued to demonstrate a clear commitment to driving national development through strategic reforms and stronger intersectoral collaboration. That vision reaches another milestone on Thursday, July 16, 2026, with the formal launch of 5 flagship programs under the renewed HOPE agenda. The programs NG Cares, Solid, HOPE-Gov, HOPE-EDU, and HOPE-PHC represent a coordinated investment in education, healthcare, governance, resilience, and institutional capacity. Together, they reflect the federal government's commitment to improving the quality of life for all Nigerians through sustainable human capital development. For the Ministry of Education, HOPE-EDU stands out as a transformative intervention designed to reshape the nation's education landscape. Supported by a $552 million World Bank investment, the program is expected to improve learning outcomes, expand access to quality basic education, strengthen education systems, and accelerate reforms under the Nigeria Education Sector Renewal Initiative, NESRI.
Begin by thanking His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Today in Nigeria, we have a president that has transformed the entire sector of this country in a way that no one can imagine in the last 3 years. These positive transformations has impacted every single sector. But for us, in the education sector, I believe we are one of the biggest beneficiaries of this president. And we've enjoyed significant support from the president. And that's what we're witnessing with all our reforms, the Nigeria Education Sectoral Renewal Initiative.
HOPE-EDU is projected to benefit more than 29 million children, support over 500,000 teachers, strengthen 65,000 public schools, and enhance learning opportunities in 10,000 non-formal learning centers across the country.
And I'll quote the president from one of the last speeches. No nation can rise above the quality of its education. Our administration remains committed to ensuring every single Nigerian child has access to quality education and opportunities needed to succeed in modern world. And that's why we're here today. One agenda, 5 programs, and 1 nation. I'll tell you what HOPE for quality education for all is all about. It's a $552 million investment from the World Bank and the global partners for education. The scale of its impact, it targets almost 30 million Nigerian children all across the 36 states of the Federation, including the Federal Capital Territory. This investment will support 500,000 public school teachers, and it will impact 65,000 public schools, either in form of renovation or new school construction. And the focal area of this HOPE education will be improving the quality of basic education, increasing access to learning opportunities, particularly the vulnerable, as well as strengthening education system across the 36 states of the Federation. And I'm happy to report all our 36 states and FCT are all participating in HOPE education.
Beyond the numbers are millions of young Nigerians whose futures will be transformed through access to quality education. As the foundation of national development, education remains central to building a prosperous nation, strengthening democracy, and creating a globally competitive economy. The minister continuously commended President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his bold vision and unwavering commitment to human capital development, while reaffirming the ministry's resolve to ensure these reforms deliver meaningful results for every Nigerian child, every learner, and every educator. One agenda, 5 flagship program, one Nigeria. Together, Nigeria is transforming lives through education.